Yeah? Well, then pretty soon they're gonna be calling me Early Timon, because I'm gonna beat the early bird. Pumbaa, wake up! We're under attack!
It's your alarm clock, Timon!
How do you turn this thing off?
I told you this would happen!
You sure you know what you're doing?
What do you have that chicken for, Timon?
That's no chicken. It's a rooster. The cock-a-doodle-doo kind. Let's see that early bird be earlier than me now.
No one ever beats the early bird, Timon!
Wow, no one ever had a rooster like this. I can taste that worm already. Mm-hmm.